Welcome. If you want to get iOS launcher on your HUAWEI Mate 40 Pro 5G, at the first you have to go for the app gallery, then turn off this ad and type Petal Search. We have to open this one. Here we have to type iOS launcher and we have to get this application. So click here, it's from the Lutin developer. We are right now on the APK Pure website, so click to download. Now just be patient and wait a little bit. Confirm. Let's install. Okay, it's successful. So right now we can go for our iOS launcher and open it. It's on the home screen. Then accept all the permissions. Click on the home screen. And then we have to move to the settings. Click on the apps, select default apps and go for the home application. And we have to click on the iOS launcher 14 and tap that we got it. And as you can see right now we are here on the iOS launcher. Of course the icons looks they are moved from the preview theme. So if you got your normal stack HUAWEI theme, the icons will look normally, not like in my case. But the most important icons like settings, camera, browser, clock, phone looks the same like on the iOS. And we can of course try to edit this icons and widgets. Also click here, we have to grant permission, click allow all the time. And when we enter this application one more time, you can see that you can customize a lot of things. So just have fun and just set it up like you want. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!